Here I was working on a 17 Jeep Wrangler with this code for the temperature door. And the customer complaint was when every time you turn it on, this light would flash and the blower motor wouldn't work for like 30 seconds up to a minute, and then it would finally work. And on this car, you could do an actuator test to see if they're all working. And what I did is I ran it and they were all working except the temperature door. And it only has one on this car. As you can see, they say true, and the last one is false. And what happened was this car came in about a week prior with a complaint that the temperature was not working when he turned on his fan. It would only be cold. And then to fix it, they replaced it with an aftermarket part. And the aftermarket part works. So it started to go from hot to cold. So that was fine, except it was still setting this code. So what was happening was every time the car would turn off and then you let it sit for like over an hour and turn it back on, the car would run its calibration test because the last test failed. So it would run it again, every drive cycle. And because it keeps failing, it keeps trying to run it just to see if it gets better, I guess. That's what it's doing. Basically, what was happening was it just doesn't like that dormant part. So you have to replace it with an OEM part just so it can pass the test. And here what I'm doing is I'm running the test again once I've replaced that door with an OEM one. And as you can see, it's running its test. And when it's running its test, the light will be blinking there too. So that's how I knew it was running a test every time the customer turned it on. But once the test is done, it'll say that they all passed or they're all true. And they won't be running tests anymore at every startup. So yeah, if you have the same problem with an aftermarket blend door, just get an OEM, run the actuation test, and you should be good to go. But if you're also okay with waiting for 30 seconds until your blower motor starts after you start the car, that's okay too. There's no problem with the aftermarket part. It's just it doesn't calibrate correctly to the computer. So if you already put it in and don't want to take it out again because it's a pretty hard job, then that's okay too. But yeah, this is the correct fix to fix that issue right there.